Divorce may feel like the end, but it's also a new beginning. It's a time to reflect on your past, understand what went wrong, and learn from those experiences. This period of introspection can be incredibly valuable, offering insights that will help you grow stronger and wiser. This is your chance to rebuild your life. Think of it as an opportunity to create a space that truly reflects who you are now. Whether it's renovating your home or simply rearranging furniture in a new apartment, these changes can symbolize a fresh start. Start fresh, new routines, new goals, new opportunities. Embrace the chance to establish habits that promote your well-being. Begin your mornings with a jog, set new goals in a journal, or even start a new job. Each step you take is a step towards a brighter future. Focus on what matters most. Spend quality time with your children, meditate in a quiet space to find inner peace, or volunteer to help others. These activities can bring immense joy and fulfillment, reminding you of the important things in life. Your future is bright, and now you get to write the next chapter. With optimism and a positive outlook, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Read books that inspire you, plan your next steps carefully, and always keep an eye on your goals. What are your goals post-divorce? Credits, Michael J. A. Donovan.